Good afternoon and namaskar. The Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all friends. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. The LG of the Union Territory of Ladakh, Vinay Kumar Saxena, today called on the Union Minister of Road and Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, in New Delhi to discuss key infrastructure projects aimed at strengthening road connectivity and boosting overall development in the Ladakh region. During the meeting, the LG apprised the Union Minister of several critical projects that require intervention and early sanction from the Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways. Saxena discussed the progress of the Zojila Tunnel with the Minister, where Nitin Gadkari informed that the final breakthrough of the tunnel is expected by the end of the May. Once completed, the tunnel will connect Ladakh with the rest of the country, marking a significant milestone towards ensuring all-weather connectivity to the region. The LG also highlighted the need for avalanche protection work along the Zojila top stretch despite the completion of the tunnel. Saxena noted this route will continue to be used for the movement of the traffic and there was an urgent need for avalanche protection as 7 people lost their lives to an avalanche in the region in a recent incident. With the sacred Buddha relics exposition scheduled from May 1 to May 15, security and civil authorities in Leh have initiated an extensive review of preparedness, focusing on crowd regulation, surveillance and interdepartmental coordination to manage the anticipated influx of the devotees from across India and abroad. Fulzile Piyush Nirakar, Senior Superintendent of Police, conducted a comprehensive inspection of the main venues, Jivasal and the Dharma centers, assessing the readiness of the logistical and security arrangements for the fortnight-long event. Officials also said the review prioritized visitors management protocols, including staggered visiting hours, regulated entry and the exit points and traffic diversion plans in and around the venues. Dedicated control rooms are to be set up for the real-time monitoring aimed at ensuring swift response and coordination among agencies during peak hours. The inspection also covered the deployment of the security personnel and the layout for public movement, with emphasis on maintaining a steady flow of visitors while preventing overcrowding. Authorities are working to streamline gate management systems to avoid bottlenecks and ensure orderly access to the relics. To public transport and sustainable mobility in the Union Territory of Ladakh, 33 electric buses have been sanctioned by the Government of India under the PM E-Bus Seva scheme. The fleet will comprise 7-meter electric buses specifically suited to Ladakh's difficult terrain and road conditions. The initiative is expected to play a key role in transforming public transport in Ladakh by promoting clean energy, reducing pollution and enhancing the overall travel experiences. The delivery of e-buses is expected in a month's time, officials informed this. The LG Vinay Kumar Saxena thanked the centre for fulfilling long-term pending demands and said the sanctioning of electric buses marks a major step towards building a sustainable and environmentally friendly public transport system in Ladakh. It reflects our commitment to preserving the fragile ecosystem of this region while improving connectivity and accessibility. These buses will not only reduce the carbon emissions but also provide an affordable and efficient transport options benefiting the residents of Ladakh. His Eminence Bakula Rangdol Nima Rinpoche urged devotees across Ladakh to approach the forthcoming holy exposition of the sacred relics of Lord Buddha with deep compassion and devotion, as the travelling display is set to cover Leh and Zanskar between May 1 and May 15. Addressing the significance of the exposition, the revered spiritual leader underscored the spiritual importance of the relics, describing them as the physical embodiment of the enlightenment, wisdom and compassion of Gautam Buddha and other realized matters. He noted that the relics referred to as ringsrail are noted to be viewed as mere material remains but as sacred manifestations carrying enduring spiritual value. His Eminence also said the relics appear in diverse forms and colors, each symbolizing a rare spiritual legacy preserved through centuries. He maintained that devotees who witness the exposition with sincerity stand to receive auspicious blessing associated with these sacred objects. The need for improved hygiene practices and professional conduct among sanitation workers, Executive Officer Municipal Committee Leh Stanzin Rebgais emphasized that sustained training initiatives are essential to strengthen public health systems and ensure the welfare of frontline sanitation staff. The initiative forms part of the outreach of the Harpic World Toilet College. Please note this, the Harpic World Toilet College, founded in 2018 by JAXIM in Singapore, which aims to improve sanitation standards and build workforce skills across regions. The program has been operational in several parts of India since 2022 and was introduced in Ladakh through the Ladakh Heart Foundation, coordinated by the Tenzin Mota. Rebgais underlined the importance of the maintaining hygiene and standards in workplaces and urged workers to adopt a professional approach in their duties, including respectful engagement with the public. He also highlighted the need for the regular health checkups and encouraged participants to make full use of such training opportunities. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thank you for keep watching us. Thank you so much and good afternoon.